What is up, you guys and girls? This is HectorNewsD here, and welcome to another episode of Slime Rancher. Now, you're probably thinking, I got some more stuff in here. Right, there's a bit, I needed some explaining to do. I've done a third episode, but for some reason there was no audio, like the mic wouldn't pick up of my voice, and it just absolutely pissed me off. So hopefully it should work on this episode. Hopefully it shouldn't cut out like during this episode. But no, what I'll do is explaining to do what I've done. Basically, I got some, also I don't know if I pre-record this, but I got the sprinkler on the carrots. That's the only upgrade I've done. I got some pogo fruit growing, and I got some more spike slimes. And also I got some more carrots here, and I've actually made some The fuck? How did he get in? Okay, never mind. But anyway, now you've seen it. I made a little coop for the chickens. And now I've realized what I've done. I need to reduce the slimes in my coop because it was too many. So sadly I have to let you guys go. Which is a shame. Also, I know how to get upgrades. All you had to do is do this. And I have read them, so I know what to do. But also, do you know that big, huge, giant slimes? I need to explain this. I know how to get through the doors with the locks. All you had to do is feed the big slimes. And it got me right pissed off because I did not... Oh god, it was absolutely aggravating because I picked up the fruit next to the giant pink slime, and I took it and I ran away from it. But I fed it, it exploded, and it gave me the key and a bunch of other stuff. But nope, we are going to use the key on something, but I'm just making sure that all these guys are okay. But all the pogo fruit is grown, which is okay, so that means I get to feed the pink slimes. And also I need to cash in my other plorts. Alright, come on you lot, feed time. What the fuck? How are you escaping? No! He ate my fucking chicken! Piss off! He fucking ate my chickens! Oh, that took me ages to find them as well. The roosteroo. Right. Major upgrade to this. I am buying a fucking air net because they are not escaping. There, so now they can't escape. Oh, that's pissed me right off now. Absolutely. Oh, it's fucking aggravating. That pissed me right off now. It took me ages to find those chickens as well. But what am I going to do with these? So I can't really do much with them. I only got two inventories, which means they'll have to make do. Right, the pink slimes are now my mortal enemies. Oh, carrots. Fucker just ate them. Well, I got a plort, so I guess that's good enough. Come on, you. Hungry time. Feed time. You lot can have food. You aren't. You guys have been aggravating little shits. Right, so I'm gonna have to collect them very carefully now. Right, carefully. Hopefully they don't harm it. Ow! Ow! Ah! Okay, they're actually quite harmful, right? So there is a need for a plort collector. But look at that major difference. Right, so now what I can do is go up here. And let's make another garden. And it's put cutberry in there. Oh, I got a different tree for it. Huh. That's cool. Right, let's deliver the plort. There we go, made it. Right, now let's go and unlock a door. Because apparently this door, well, requires a key. But I didn't have the key until I actually blew up one of the pink ones, like the pink giant slimes, which I'll show you in a minute. Just eat the chicken. That pink one over there, remember you used to sit over there? He's gone now. I can't pick the rock slimes anymore because I mean I can, but then again we don't know where this door leads. And I'm guessing it sort of works with the giant pink cat as well. I think you try and explode it. Got some chickens. Actually, you know what? Let's collect some chickens because we're gonna need them for the coop. But you guys ate them. Oh no! Don't eat them. Wait. Wait, Stony Ann has a rock-solid conversion in chicken stuff. I don't know what sort of chicken that is, so I'm gonna... You guys are eating them! Fuck's sake. Oh! Roosteroo. Okay, that's the one I need. Right, so we'll come back to you in later time. But for now, let's go through here, because I don't know what the hell is more Q-berry. So I do not I don't think we need heat burt. And it's sunk. Right, I need to be careful here now because I remember last time we died. So hopefully we shouldn't end up doing that. There's another box here, I didn't see that. What's in this one then? Another chicken and more fruit. That's just, whatever. Use the slime key. Right. New area. Moss blanket. Like a flower blooming from a rocky crack, this emerald expands hints at what could be. Well, hopefully this is a very good area. I didn't use it. Oh. It's the same shit. Oh, hang on. What? You guys are different. Yeah, I'm actually starting to like this now. Alright. There's not really too much activity here, is it? We're gonna have one of those H's, but I ain't gonna pick it up. Whoa, what the fuck are you? Pharaoh slimes. It's hard to be nice. But you fuck! Shit, he's coming back. You? Piss off. You fucking bit me, you piece of shit. There's another one of those. Are these happy? Yeah. Oh, hunter slime. Never mind the rabbit. Have you seen any chickens? There's another cat slime, so you can fuck off. Is there anything up here? Like anything at all? More pogo fruit. Right, what's up here? There's a nest and there's another chicken here. Right, so why is actually... Oh, there's another capsule. The treasure pod is locked. Oh, hang on, danger zone. Wait, oh, what are you? Oh shit! Right. Number one thing: never get too close to them. They will bite you bite your dick off, or they give you a very intense blowjob and you just can't seem to get it off. Fucking hell, I'm going up here. It's more fuck. Oh shit! Jesus, right, I'm avoiding that area. I'm avoiding that area. I'm going this way. Look at this. There's a nice path and... What the f... Ooh, what are you? Honey slime. Nothing sweeter than a recently produced plort. Oh, that's cool. I actually like these ones too. Did you just eat? Right, so we got honey slime. But what are you? Boom slime. Careful, these slimes been known to explode. Well, I'm collecting the boom slimes because they look cool as AF. And oh, there's another one. Come here. I think I collected it. Right, what's down here? Nothing. What the fuck are you? Whoa! Okay, so those are the baddies. Oh shit! Right, so they're the so they're the bad people. Right, so the only way to... Why is the music changing? The fuck? Right, I'm gonna have to go through this area. I'm sorry, I'm sorry! Ah! I'm sorry! Shit! I know you pissed off. And... Oh, another honey slime. There's more! Ah, okay. And there's more of you. I'm collecting all of the honey slimes because they look good. They nice are nice and orange. I have you. Oh, there's more. I'm having all the honey slimes. Okay, you just ate the chicken. Right. Oh, ooh, what's through here? There's nothing really good around here, is it? They're just all eating shit. Oh, there's none of the Magma slimes. And the roosteroo. But the Magma slimes are just... Oh, there's another honey slime there as well. Ah! I can't jump in there either. Because I can't swim. Right, got him. Right, come here. Right, good boys. Right, just avoid the water. Avoid the water. Did I just hear birds? Or the chickens? Yeah, I did. Yeah. Okay. Oh, so I can collect you now. Right, now I think we're done here. I think. The fuck is that? What is this? Let's step into it. Oh, it brings you back. Cool. Right, so now we got some chickens for our coop. Because these fucking ones ate them. Right, so I'm guessing these guys have sex and they breed, I think. I don't know. But we'll feed all you lot in a bit. I need to get some sleep. Oh, it's morning now. Right, another day. There's another... Holy shit, I didn't realize there was this many carrots. Right, feed time. Eat up. Eat up. Right, so now to feed the pinks. Wait, I don't really need to feed the pinks, do I? Because I got better slimes. So technically, you guys are useless. So, looks like the pink slimes are over. I got some Q-berries. Right, so it's been a long run, guys. You guys have been fantastic pets, but I have to let you go now. Even though you guys have been annoying as shit, you guys will always have a place in my hearts. Not really. There we go. All dead. Right, so I'm going to place the honey slimes in here. Right, so I need to find out what you guys eat. So what do you guys eat? Veg? Do you guys eat veg? Eat veg at all? Right, so don't eat veg. Fruit, do you want a Q-berry? You guys want a Q-berry? Okay, they eat Q-berries. Right. Did these guys eat all the carrots? They did, haven't they? Right, so now I know what these guys eat. They eat fruit. Eat up. I'm actually kind of curious, how much do these guys give? Let's find out. Because they're really rare, I think, the honey slimes. Let's see here. They give out 45! No way. Holy shit, that's a huge upgrade. Right, but thing is I need another coop to put the magma slimes in, so I'm going to have to replace one of the gardens. So let's put the carrots in there for a bit. That's a lot. Actually, I need a plot collector to collect all those, so I need to upgrade it. Plot collector, purchase. Right. So that's, there we go. I'm guessing these give a lot too. Obviously the rock plots. Oh yeah, look at that. It's all money. I've got some more. Right, so I'm gonna have to sadly demolish this. So I got my... Wait, it took away money? It took away money just to... Right, so I don't know what the magma slimes eat. I mean, we did see... I think we saw one eat a chicken? Don't tell me how to feed them with chickens. That can't be the only thing they bloody eat. Right, so I need to find how... Right, so you guys explode. Cool. But... Oh. Hello. Right. Let's put you... There we go. The thing is though, I don't think I can... Can I upgrade the walls? Oi! No! No! Where the fuck do you come from? Piss off. Right, can I upgrade the Carol? High walls? No, I can't. I did hear one of you eat. Yeah, that's correct. There we go. Wait. They had sex! He's a little Pidgey. What? There's random pink plots here though. Oh, I got more. Okay, so I guess the best thing to do is keep breeding them. Right, so it looks like our little coop thing is actually coming out marvelously. Need to keep feeding the honey slimes because... Well, actually, I need to find out what the magma... I think that's what they're called. The magma slimes. No, boom slimes, sorry. I need to find out what they eat. So, we need to find out. Did they eat fruit? Do you guys eat fruit? No? You guys don't eat fruit? Okay, so you're the veggie type of person. Yeah, definitely. No! Right, higher Carols is not right. I'm not risking it. No, I'm sorry. Not risking it. Right, so do the eat veg. Let's put one here and let's see if we can eat the veg. Do you eat veg? What do you eat? Don't tell me you only eat chicken. There's no way you can just eat chicken. That means we need a shit ton of chickens. I'm sorry, mate, but you have to be sacrificed. Do you eat chicken? They eat the chickens. Right, now I know what you guys do. Right. Boom. Can I build the high walls now? High walls. Yes, I can. Right, so now that will stop you guys from... Right, so let's feed you guys. Let's feed one carrot. Oh, look at that. They're actually eating. Money! The mighty oaks and my little acorns grow. Oh, look at that, 500. Right, so we need to try and keep them calm, I guess. Because one of them escaped. Right, so the air net is optional. Right, that'll stop you from escaping. Right, so we need some more chickens in here. Right. Well, guys, I think it's a good time to end this episode here. So, guys, I hope you sincerely enjoyed this video. I want you guys to smash the subscribe button. I want you guys to hit the like button. I want you guys to hit the notifications bell. Click on it so you never miss any other videos I upload. Also, guys, put a comment down below what sort of other slimes you want to see in my coop next. Because right now I've got a good community of slimes here now. Got rock slimes, honey slimes, and boom slimes, and they're just exploding. No, put a comment down below. I'd like to hear it. And also for the new people, make sure you click that subscribe button. And guys, like you always say, this is Hank the Noobster, signing out.